Hello, my name is Rob Garner. I'm a computer programming instructor, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a metric conversion calculator. So from Visual Studio, I'm going to create a new project. It'll be a Visual C# console application. I'm going to call it metric conversion, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. So this program is going to convert the user input into inches to centimeters from inches, and so what I'll need is a loop of some sort. We'll ask the user if they want to do another, and loop back if yes. We'll need to get inside the loop, we'll need to get the user input. We'll need to check to see if the input is a number, because the user could input a string. If it's a number, do conversion. If not, number, display an error message. So that's the basic outline of what we're going to do. And for this one, I think I'm probably going to have a function to convert from inches to centimeters. So for my loop, I'm going to need to read in value from the user. I'm going to use a character to read in, so I'm going to use that's going to take an int. So I'm going to have some sort of do while here. And the condition for completing the do while will be first ask the user if they want to do another, We tell them what type of input we want back from them. I'm going to use the read method of the console program, and what that does is it returns, if you look at the read method, it returns an int. It reads the next character from the standard input stream. And we're going to loop back if this int corresponds to y. Well, in order to figure that out, I have to convert read int to a char and then compare it to the char y. So in C sharp, we represent chars with single quotes and then a single letter in it. You can see if I put 2 in it, well, if I do that, I get an error because you can't have too many. You'll have too many characters. So this, for C sharp, single quotes only are used for char variable types. So here I should have a working loop. Let's go ahead and test it. It's in the process of building. We have a successful build, and let's see if that works. So I put in a Y and an enter, and oddly it actually halts right away. Why is that? Well, because I put in a Y and a character, and the read command reads one character at a time. What happened is it read the Y in, looped back around, came back, and the carriage return was actually still in the buffer, and so it read that in without even giving us a chance to put in an input. And since that wasn't since the carriage return is not a Y, it actually halted. So what I need to do is I have to get rid of everything in that buffer, and the way I can do that is just do a read line command, and what this will do is it'll read everything that's after that first character and just dump it. If I run it this time, then it works.